Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then hi, welcome. My name's Nikitta. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, we are doing a meal prep video. So I've not been about for a while. I had a bit of a breakdown. I'll maybe go into that in a different video, but yeah, I haven't been about on YouTube for a while, so this is my first video back. I did delete all of my old content. I might put some of it back up that's relevant, rest of it just not feeling it. But yeah, this is my second video back because there's another one that I need to film that will be going up before this one, but anyway, you don't need to know any of that. So this is my meal prep video, and essentially what this is what I eat in a day to stay in a calorie deficit, how I prep all of my food to make sure that I'm staying within that calorie deficit and I'm keeping myself accountable. And really, I'm a bit of a creature of habit, so the only way that I can stay accountable and stay on track is by doing the same things over and over again and just having that constant routine. That's just the way that I like to work. So if you're that kind of person as well, maybe this will be good for you. So we are making turkey chili with cauliflower rice and fajita chicken with Mexican cauliflower rice. So it's very low carb, very high protein, delicious, yummy. And I think if I remember rightly, each of the meals, they're quite big as well, and they are under 400 calories. So they're great, they're absolutely amazing for what they are. I've also got breakfast in there. I haven't put the snacks in. I really should have put the snacks in, but I'll talk about snacks in a what I eat in a day video. But for now, let's get on with making the food.
So we're starting off with a turkey chili. Obviously turkey is high in protein, so we're going in for turkey chili. I'm just simply using the Old El Paso chili seasoning mix, 2 tins of finely chopped tomatoes and some kidney beans, and then I also pop in just over 200 grams of peppers. Just mix that all in and then let it simmer.
Okay, so I've popped that onto a low simmer. I've popped that onto a low simmer just to let that do its thing, for everything to cook nicely. Obviously the turkey is cooked and sorted, so it's just a case of the peppers defrosting, the kidney beans cooking, and just letting it sit and just marinate a little bit. So now we're going to move on to the next thing, which is my fajita chicken, which isn't anything amazing, and Mexican cauliflower rice. So let's get on with that.
Next up, we're moving on to the Mexican cauliflower rice. So I'm just heating the rice up a little bit, popping in some chili powder and also some cumin just to add to that flavouring, and then I will go ahead and add in some black beans and some salsa as well, just to give it that extra flavouring, if you like. It does taste absolutely delicious. I'm not a fan of cauliflower rice on its own, but like this, yummy. And there we have it. So for the fajita chicken and Mexican rice, we are coming in at 350 calories. For the turkey chili and a whole bag of cauliflower rice, which is around 125 grams, it's coming in at 350 calories for the whole meal. I will then pop in 3 of the Aldi protein pancakes for my breakfast. Depending on whether I want more calories in the afternoon or not, I will have honey or Nutella, and that will come in at around the 400 calorie mark.
So guys, there you have it. That is my meal prep all done for the next 4 days. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope it inspired you to maybe try something different, maybe even try some cauliflower rice if it's not something that you've tried before and you want to reduce your carb intake but also fill up on those volume foods. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content from me, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!